Today is day 13 and we're making strawberries and cream cookies. Let's get into it. To the bowl of my stand mixer, I've added some softened butter and a little bit of brown sugar. We're going to let this beat for about 2 to 3 minutes so that it can cream together. If you're using a hand mixer, this might take closer to 7 minutes. Make sure you have a spatula nearby so that you can scrape down the sides of your bowl throughout the entire process. Up next, we're going to add in 1 egg and 1 egg yolk. We're going to beat this until it has come together, and this was an especially important time to make sure you're scraping down the sides. We're going to add in some vanilla extract and continue to mix this on medium speed. I've added in some baking powder, baking soda, and kosher salt. And then we're going to lower our speed to low and add in some all-purpose flour. We're going to mix this until it is fully combined and starts to form a thick dough. Once that has all come together and we've scraped down the sides, we're going to add in some white chocolate chips and our freeze-dried strawberries. These strawberries are wonderful as a snack, but in these cookies, they are perfection. We're going to gently stir these into our cookie dough and then add them to our cookie sheet. These are going to bake at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. As someone who wouldn't consider herself a white chocolate connoisseur and honestly avoids recipes that usually include it, I was deeply surprised by how much I enjoyed these cookies. I kept coming back for more, and everyone I took them to really enjoyed them, so these are a new favorite. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you give this recipe a try. Be sure to tune in tomorrow for day 14 of our 24 days of Christmas cookies and treats. We hope to see you then. Bye!